In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bollinger Bars Indicator on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. Let's jump straight into it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you can follow, even if you're new to TradingView. First, you'll want to have your TradingView chart open with any market you're analyzing. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, Forex, or anything else you normally trade. Once your chart is loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time interval and layout tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all the built-in and community tools live, and it's the starting point for adding anything new to your chart. After you open that panel, you'll see several categories. To keep things simple and organized, click on the section labeled Technicals. This filters the list down to technical analysis tools, which is exactly what we need for Bollinger Bars. Using this section helps you avoid scrolling through unrelated options like financials or community scripts and gets you to the right place faster. Now that you're inside the technical indicators list, look for the search bar at the top of the window. This is a quick way to find any indicator without hunting around. Click on the search field and start typing Bollinger Bars. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results, so you should see Bollinger Bars appear in the drop-down list. Once you see Bollinger Bars in the results, click on it once. Right away, you'll notice it appear directly on your chart. There's no need to refresh or save anything for it to show up. The indicator will overlay on your existing price data, giving you visual bands and bar coloring that help you understand volatility and potential price ranges. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or behaves, you can hover over the indicator name on your chart and open the settings to adjust inputs like length or standard deviations. But the default settings are usually a good starting point. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more charts, alerts, and a smoother overall experience, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with the same tools and layout I'm using while you work with the Bollinger Bars indicator on your own charts.